In this lesson, we're going to learn how to create captions in Adobe Premiere Pro 2026. Captions are extremely important because they improve accessibility, they increase watch time, they help with SEO, they support social media platforms. Many viewers watch videos without sound. Premiere Pro now makes caption creation faster and smarter using AI. Let's learn the complete workflow step by step. First, let's play the timeline.
I've worked with bees for years, long enough to understand their rhythms, their moods, the quiet rules.
We want to display captions over the video so viewers can read the dialogue clearly. To create captions, go to the top menu and click Window Text Panel. This will open the text panel. Before creating captions, we need to generate a transcript. Click on the Transcript tab and create a transcription of your sequence. I've already explained how to transcribe in the previous lesson. Once the transcription is complete, switch to the Captions tab. Here, you'll see 3 buttons. Create captions from transcript. This is the fastest and most powerful method. This option uses the already generated transcript from the speech-to-text feature. If you have transcribed your sequence, clicking this button will automatically convert the transcript into timed captions. Then, create new caption track. This option allows you to create captions manually. When you click this, you can choose the caption format and create an empty caption track. And finally, import captions from file. This option allows you to import subtitle files like .srt.vtt, other supported caption formats. This is useful when you already have subtitles prepared, working with translators, receiving captions from clients. Premiere will place imported captions directly on the timeline. Click Create Captions. Choose. By default format is subtitle format and you choose Other also. Click Create. And instantly, Premiere generates captions on the timeline. Now select a caption and press play.
I've worked with bees for years, long enough to understand their rhythms, their moods, the quiet rules they live by. This morning felt important. The colony.
You'll see the captions appearing over the video in real time. If you want to edit the caption text, simply click on the edit icon or directly click on the caption text. You can now modify the wording, fix spelling. You can see that when I add or update a full stop, it instantly updates in the program monitor. This means caption editing works in real time. Any changes you make to the text, whether it's punctuation, spelling, or formatting, are immediately reflected in the video preview. This makes the workflow very fast and efficient because you can see the final result while editing. No need to re-render or refresh. Everything updates automatically. To change the caption text style, first select the caption. Then go to the Properties panel. Here you can customize font family, font size, font style, bold, regular, etc. Text alignment, position. You can place captions top, middle, bottom. You can also change font color and more. If you want to apply the same style to all captions, select all captions in the timeline or use a track style. Then modify the design once. This will update the entire caption track instantly. Most platforms now support dynamic captions. This means viewers can turn captions on or off. Users can change language if multiple languages are provided. Captions adapt to platform settings. This is why exporting captions properly is important. To export captions, click the three-dot menu in the text panel. Choose Export. You'll see three main options: Export to text file, Export to CSV file, Export to SRT file. Each option serves a different purpose depending on your workflow. Export to text file .txt. This option exports your transcript or captions as a simple plain text file. What it includes? Only the written text. No timing information, no formatting. And best used when you want a script copy, sending dialogue to clients, creating blog content, SEO purposes, translating manually. This is purely text, not a subtitle file. Export to CSV file .csv. CSV stands for comma separated values. This export includes caption text, start time, end time, structured data format, best used when sharing with editors, sending to translators, spreadsheet editing, reviewing timing externally. This is useful for technical workflows or collaboration. Export to SRT file .srt. This is the most important export option. SRT is the industry standard subtitle format, and it includes caption number, start time, end time, caption text, and SRT files are supported by YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, Vimeo, most video platforms. This is the preferred option for uploading subtitles online. Now export the file as SRT format and give a name. In the timeline, you can manage the caption track just like any other track. Here, you can enable or disable the caption track visibility, lock the track to prevent accidental changes. If you want to delete the caption track, right-click on the caption track header, then choose Delete Track or Delete Caption Track. Confirm the action. Now the caption track has been removed from the timeline. If you already have a caption file, you can import it easily. Go to the Captions panel, click on Import, select your caption file, such as an SRT file. By default, choose Source Timecode so the captions align correctly with the original timing. Click OK, and now the captions are imported directly into your timeline.
I've worked with bees for years, long enough to understand their rhythms, their moods, the quiet rules they live by.
They will appear on a new caption track and sync with your video automatically. So that's how captions work in Adobe Premiere Pro 2026. Captions are not just text on the screen, they completely change how your content performs. When you add captions, your videos become accessible to a wider audience, including viewers who are watching without sound. And today, most people scroll social media with the volume off. Captions help you capture their attention instantly, and with Premiere Pro's AI-powered transcription, the entire process has become incredibly fast. What used to take hours can now be done in minutes. You just transcribe, generate captions, refine them, and you're ready to export. But remember, AI helps you move faster, not replace quality control. Always review your captions carefully to ensure accuracy and professionalism. When used correctly, captions make your videos more accessible, more engaging, and more powerful.